Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Plex fail to download subtitle, subtitle agent, server and network troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Plex server is connected to the internet and open a website on the same device to test the connection. If needed, change the DNS to 8.8.8.8 or 1.1.1.1. Then restart your router and open Plex and try downloading the subtitle again. Fix 2. Check language settings. Open Plex web and click the settings gear icon. Now select languages and turn on automatically. Select audio and subtitle tracks. Now choose your preferred subtitle language. Fix 3. Use the on-demand subtitle search. Open the movie or TV episode in Plex and click the subtitles drop-down menu. From there, select search and choose a subtitle from the search results. Download and apply the subtitle. Fix 4. Check Open Subtitles credentials. Open Plex settings and select agents. Now select movies or TV shows. Then click the gear icon next to OpenSubtitles.org. Then enter your Open Subtitles username and password and enable the agent and save the settings. Fix 5. Restart Plex Media Server. Completely close or quit Plex Media Server and wait for about 30 seconds. Now start Plex Media Server again and open Plex on your playback device. Search for and download the subtitle again. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.